So welcome back to my channel once again. So today is the day which I waiting for past few months. So I'm going to go in Toyota now to get my car's number plate. So it took almost 3 to 4 months to get the number plate of my car. So without wasting any time, let's go ahead and check and get the number plate of my car. Here at the Toyota now. I'm going to go inside and check my number plate. I'm going to get it. Okay, so I already got the number plate here, so it is here with me. And the main thing about this number plate is that the number is if you can see here, 786. So inside also you can see here 786. So this is my favorite number. I always wanted this number to be on my car, bike or whatever I have. So this is a lucky number also considered, and I have made one video also for this one. If you want to see the whole video how I am collecting my currencies of different countries, notes also, etc. So this number is really good to me and lucky for me. So that's why one of the reason I want to always achieve. This is my see here. So I'm really happy. I'm able to. Some of my friends was not able to get the number plate even without even in 4 to 1 year also. It took them like almost 1 to 1.5 year also to get the number here. So in Philippines it's a little bit different also how to get the number registration, etc. here. Unlikely in another countries, when you buy the car or if you're buying the car, so you will be getting the number on the real time when you are bringing out the car out of the showrooms. But during to the like a registration process here and the restrictions, etc., local, you know, the law of this country, like a LTO rules and restrictions registration process here. So it took for Toyota it took almost 4 months, 3 to 4 months for me to get my number plate. But other brands I don't know, but yeah, I'm happy I already got my number plate. But the, you know, the sad down part is that they will not assist me how to fix this on my car. So I need to find out some screwdriver and some screw also to put it here you know, to put some thing here to fix on the car. I am not a very technician to fix that one, but let's see and try to fix this on the car. So yes, let's go now. So I'm already here, so I'm going to change my number plate. So let me go ahead and change it. Now go to the left back side to change it. So it's done already. So I was able to change the number plate with my help only.